This is a video from 9 years ago. Yeah, I said 9 years ago. Being able to change over the tools quickly when you're on the shop floor makes a big difference. As the machinist who's been on the shop floor setting them up, it's really nice to be able to change your tools quickly, whether you're switching to a different size tool or you're replacing a dull, worn out tool. You just want to be able to swap it out for another one as fast as possible. Vibration reduction and fast changeovers, it's like the trifecta that we go for in manufacturing when it comes to keeping spindles turning and earning. Here we have a system. He's putting in a 20 mil to 1/2 inch reduction sleeve. This is a video from 9 years ago. Yeah, I said 9 years ago. He's just gonna crank it down till it stops at the bottom. The Allen key's included when you get the holder. You can see right there, there's the list of the tools that he normally uses. Why am I emphasizing the whole, 9 years ago, that much emphasis on it? A lot of the time when I'm talking to people about the advances in technology, they tend to shoo off the new stuff. It's unproven, it's uncertain, it's not gonna work. I mean, I get it. These Schunk Tendo hydraulic holders have been in the market more than 9 years. That's a decade. A decade. How many people watching wait a decade to update their vehicle? The adoption leg for a lot of this tech, the end result is your competition gets more competitive. Whether you're an OEM or a job shop, you've got competition. And not adopting the new tech puts you behind. So what are you waiting for? I'm here to keep your spindles turning and earning as much as possible. So if you're looking for a fast tool change, vibration reduction, and saving money while getting more competitive and bringing more in your door, check out the Schunk hydraulic holders. You will not be disappointed. And until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.